Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Today I will talk about euro versus the US dollar, only because the bias is bullish. Okay, I will talk about an upside continuation after temporary retreats. So please read the disclaimer before I will talk about this market, about this currency pair. And if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Guys, it's important to understand that trading is risky, that past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. And yeah, Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. You have to be careful out there. There are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers. So please take a look here. Okay, so 1.0481 as key level here. Breakout, retest here again. And sideways movement, new rally, here test retests, and today it has rallied only because the dollar index crashed. Let's take a look on the dollar index. The dollar index dropped, okay, and after failing to resume its leg higher, its swing higher, right now it has bounced back. That's why the euro USD, it has retreated, it has dropped it, but don't forget that the dollar index maintains a bearish bias in the short term. The pressure remains high here ahead of the FOMC because yeah, as you already know, the Federal Reserve is expected to increase the federal funds rate by 50 basis points on Wednesday. Tomorrow, guys, the inflation data, the US inflation data, the consumer price index, core CPI, and in my opinion, if the inflation, if the US will report lower inflation, okay, this could be maybe bad for the US dollar in the short term, yeah, and but right now the dollar index tries to rebound, okay, very important. It tries to rebound, and it could retest the weekly pivot point and also 105 psychological level, which stands as an upside obstacle here in the short term. If it stays here, it could try to come back down or something, and maybe only taking out the immediate resistance levels. And maybe taking out also this downtrend line may signal a potential larger rebound in the short term. So let's go back. Euro USD. Euro USD. As I've said, the bias remains bullish, guys. Okay, as long as it stays above the pivot point here, 1.0520. And very important, as long as it stays above the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So the lower medium line acts as a dynamic support. So as long as the price stays above it, test retest here could signal a new bullish momentum or something. So personally, I will look for potential longs here, okay, around the pivot point. So 1.0520 and here around the lower medium line, because maybe after testing retesting here, and if it only retest here, if it registers only false breakdowns or something, it could bring us a new potential long opportunity with a good risk to reward ratio, because this lower medium line stands as dynamic support, as I've said earlier, and as long as it stays above it, test retest could signal a new bullish momentum. And yeah, of course, an upside continuation could be activated and confirmed by a new higher high if the price will jump close and stabilize above 1.0594. okay, but personally I'm looking for potential longs from around these levels, support levels, okay, downside obstacles, because if the price takes out the support levels and then to retest here, then probably I will look for potential shorts. But yeah, as long as it stays above the lower medium line here and above the pivot point, I'll look only for longs, for new buying opportunities, because this could be only a temporary retreat, a temporary drop after its amazing rally. Yeah, but yeah, I will look for longs here around these levels, and I will share my trade, my setup, my trade actually in the VIP group. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget that the fundamentals will drive the markets tomorrow, the US inflation, and also on Wednesday, the FOMC. So thank you guys. Learn to trade Forex signals if you want to become a VIP member. Also, Dash to Trade, if you want to join the pre-sale, please read the white paper, please visit the website, and please all the details. Instagram, please follow us. Learn to Trade, our website. YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.